it shows different files and directories. Then suppose there are different permissions, read, write, executes regarding this file ASD which we have created. So I want to change mode. These read, write, execute are known as the modes of, that is a different permissions. Modes means permissions. So these permissions I want to change from, owner to group owner or group owner to others. So there is a command, that is chmod. Chmod. Then so here we will see I want to change this command. I want to change this execute command of owner. First three letters RWX indicates for the permissions for owner. Then next three letters RWX for the group owner, and next three RWX for the others. So I want to change. There is here permission for a read, write and execute for user or owner. So I want to change this. From user I want to remove this execute, that is u minus x, u for user and minus for remove and x for execute. You want to remove this execute permission from the user of the file or directory ASD. Then see here, firstly see this ASD file, and after command you will see the changing the commands as ls minus l is, sorry, ls minus l. So here see what is the difference this file and previous file. Hello, see here, previously this file have permission as rwx. Whenever you are return command, that is a change mode, u for user minus that for a remove, x for execute command. you want to remove execute command from user group or owner group of the file ASD, then whenever you have written this command, C in ls command, here execute, here X is removed. Okay, suppose I want to remove again read clear. So ls minus L, see here execute command is removed. Again chmod space user minus a W of ASD, it will remove ls minus L, here X and W is removed. Here see previous line, this is the previous before the change mode command and after change mode command. Suppose you want to remove again read, then chmod then U minus R of ASD, then ls minus L. Here see all these three commands are removed from user group. Then suppose you want to add this read write execute command. Instead of minus sign you can use plus sign. Instead of minus sign you can use plus sign. Okay, see, suppose you want to remove these three commands also, or these three permissions read write execute of group, then change mode space this for a group, so G minus W for don't want write permission of file ASD, then you will see ls minus L. Here see, this is the previous before the mode command, after this mode command, this is after this mode command. Okay, and for other there is, suppose I want to remove this read permission from other, so chmod from for other A minus R, then file name is ASD. So see here ls minus L, here R read permission from other also removed. So if there are three dash, that is no permission. If there is only X is present, then executable only. If only W is present, then writable only. Then WX is present, then writable and executable. Only R is present, then readable only. R and X is present, readable and executable. R and W is present, then readable and writable. And if all are present, that is RWX, then readable, writable and executable. So there are read, write and execute permissions. So you return a D for directory, then RWX, then RWX, then RWX. So I'll take a space between these two. These there are three groups. This is the first group, and this first group is yellow colored group, and this yellow colored group is for user or owner group. This group is known as user or owner group. Then this pink colored group is group owners or group. First yellow colored is user, that is owner. Then this is a group owner, and next third blue colored is other groups. So for this for this user group is called, for this yellow colored is called as user group. Then this is called as pink colored is called as a group, and blue colored called as other group. So it have write permissions as for group, user group, user group have permission read, write, execute. Read, for read for user group, user have a read permission is octal value is 400. Then write permission is 200. Then execute permission is 100. For execute permission is 100. Similarly for group, A read permission is 40, then write permission is equal to 20, then execute permission for execute permission is 10, then other read permission is 4, then write permission is 2, then execute permission is 1, and calculation all of these 400, 200, 100, 40, 20, 10, 4, 2, 1 is equal to 777. If someone has given the values of files or permissions of files between 100 between 001 to 777, then it is a valid permissions of the different users in case of read, write and execute. If the permissions from 000 000, that is from 000 to 777, then permissions of these, that is 000 indicates that no read, no write, no execute in user, group user or other, whereas a 777 indicates that a read, write and execute permissions in group, in user, in group user and other. So whenever someone has given like permission, suppose in between these is 4 5 7 it is given, so it should be right like first 400 indicates, or suppose here written as permission, suppose given like a 654, so first digit is a 600, so check which two permissions have addition is 600, that is read and write. So it have 6 means read and write permission, so R W, there is no execute, then 5, then second is for group, second value is 50, check the addition of two numbers who has a 50, so for a read and execute R dash X, then number is 4 for other, so check addition of any numbers is 4, so only R, then R a dash, these are the permissions regarding for the group, for the user, then group and then other. For user letter is, or owner letter is used as U, for group it is letter used as G, and for other letter used as A. Have any doubt regarding these? Have you any doubt about change mode of file from read write and execute. तुम्हाला काही शंका असेल तर विचारू शकता फाईल परमिशनच्या बाबत.